Hello, friend Mormo here from mormozine.com, and today we're talking about where you can buy Flat Belly Fix, and you can get it by clicking the link in my description, and that'll take you right to the sales page where you can learn more about the product and purchase it and get it to yourself real quick. And here's my review. The weight loss industry is littered with books, guides, reports, and information of every kind that's designed to help you shed the weight and also part with your money. Yet, with all the information at people's disposal, obesity statistics are still skyrocketing. And as a society, we're getting fatter and sicker than ever before. A bulging belly is a sign of poor health. In fact, just losing weight in this area will help to reduce your risk of diabetes and other problems. It also makes you look more attractive. So you can bet that the weight loss industry will capitalize on this and try to make money by selling books showing you how to get a flat belly. The truth of the matter is that people don't need more information, they need simplicity. The Flat Belly Fix is a program that's currently a best selling product because it's the epitome of simplicity when it comes to shedding the belly fat. With just 7 minutes a day of core toning exercises and a guide showing you how to manage your hormones and consume foods which aid in weight loss, you can get a toned midsection. This program has sold thousands of copies and has several success stories in its official website. Let's look at it in greater detail. The good points. One of the basic principles of the Flat Belly Fix is that you'll need to spend 7 minutes a day, every single day, doing a series of ab exercises to tone your midsection. Anyone can spare 7 minutes. This is one of the biggest benefits of this program. It doesn't require you to spend hours at the gym. Short daily sessions will more than suffice to give you a flat stomach. Todd Lamb used to lead a SWAT team in his previous career. He's definitely experienced in physical training and knows what you need to do to get the best results without spinning your wheels and wasting time on long workouts. It's like getting trained by a SWAT leader. Imagine that. Flat Belly Fix is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. 60 days is more than enough time to shed several pounds and see your stomach getting flatter by the day. If you don't see any results, you can always get your money back. There's no risk here. In the Flat Belly Fix system, you'll only have a tea for breakfast. Lunch and dinner will need to be meals suggested in the program. What's interesting here is that it's not the tea that aids in the weight loss, but the fact that you're not having a full breakfast. You'll be adopting a protocol known as intermittent fasting, which is highly effective for weight loss. So Todd has adapted that protocol and made it part of the Flat Belly Fix. You're provided with 15 smoothie recipes to help you get sufficient antioxidants and micronutrients in your diet. This will not only boost your immune system, but the smoothies can also act as meal replacements since your body will still be getting the nutrients it needs. In fact, you'll feel less hungry and have fewer cravings when you're drinking these smoothies. This is a 21-day system which also focuses on leptin sensitivity, your hunger and appetite, and other important factors that trip so many people up. When you can control your hormones, you can control your weight. This system will give you the tools to do that. The Flat Belly Fix guide is detailed, and here's a list of the chapters you'll find inside the 21-day system. Rationale, hunger and appetite, the energy system shift, the secret, FBFT, benefits of turmeric for women, benefits of turmeric for men, how much per day, the benefits of chai tea, the benefits of green tea, grass-fed butter, cinnamon, leptin sensitivity, what is leptin and weight loss, mastering your leptin levels, leptin, exercise, carbohydrates and fats, leptin and interval meals, insulin sensitive and resistance, what is insulin, how to improve your insulin sensitivity, how to improve your insulin sensitivity through diet, medium chain triglycerides, MCTs for reducing fat storage, coconut milk, MCT oil, Lactobacillus L. reuteri, gender-specific benefits for women, gender-specific benefits for men, the protocol, meal timings and composition, visual references, food list, questions and answers. The bad points. As with all weight loss methods, consistency and patience is required. Flat belly fix will only work if you apply the information provided. Very often people don't see the results come fast enough and they assume that the method doesn't work and they throw in the towel. This is a huge mistake. Weight loss is slow. Despite the hype of the Flat Belly Fix sales page, it'll take some time. No doubt you'll accelerate your weight loss with the methods in this guide, but you'll not drop 20 pounds in 2 weeks. Be prepared to stay the course for at least 30 to 60 days. The weight loss success will be dependent on your caloric state. You must be at a caloric deficit. The fat loss tea recipe is good and all, but you don't really need it. What you truly need to focus on is your caloric intake. The rules should have been given more attention in the Flat Belly Fix guide. This product is only available as an online download. You'll need a credit card or a PayPal account to purchase it and a computer to read the digital guide. You may print it for easy reference once you have access to it. Should you get it? Yes. The creator of this product, Todd Lamb, is a highly qualified professional with serious credentials. Having spent years training in law enforcement and special tactics, he understands fitness and what you need to do to get in shape. If you're looking to get fitter and don't wish to spend hours at the gym, Flat Body Fix is for you. This is a program made for the average Joe/Joanne. It's not a hardcore bodybuilding guide where you're told to pump out sets and reps like a Terminator. No, this program is much more merciful. With 7 minutes a day, you can have a toned and flat belly. With the smoothie recipes, you can get sufficient nutrients without having to eat so much food. Can you see results in 21 days with this system? You can. Will the results blow your mind? Probably not, but it's a start. So many people try to lose weight and struggle without making any progress. In some cases, their weight even goes up despite their best efforts. This can be devastating to one's ego. The Flat Belly Fix requires a lot less effort and promises you faster results. Once you see that your weight is dropping without you having to slog it out at the gym or starve yourself, you'll be motivated to carry on for another month or two. And before you know it, you'll look like a brand new you. This program works, period. And thanks so much for watching. If you're ready to buy, click the link in the description. And like I say, you can get more information and then make your purchase. And thanks so much for watching. And that's all.